So-called commercial appliance repair. This is the kitchen I'm working. That's the guys. So this is the refrigerator that I'm fixing. The problem is simple. I already added Freon 134. The coils was dirty. I cleaned it. This is the controller started to drop already. It was 70. So I added Freon, and that's how it looks like. Freon 134. That's it. Pretty much working. Temperature started to drop. Thank you for watching. That was all the job.